Part 1. God remember Noah. Genesis chapter 8 verse 1 to 3. E get one thing wey dey sweet pass money, na when God remember you for middle of your storm. My people, you know say even inside big wahala, God no fit forget you. For Genesis chapter 8, Bible talk say God remember Noah and all the animals wey dey inside ark. Rain wey dey fall don stop and water begin to reduce. Small sometimes miracle no dey rush come, but God dey work am slowly so that you go fit stand strong. Na so e be when He dey remove your storm little by little. Question time. Number 1. Who did God remember in Genesis chapter 8? A. Moses, B. Noah, C. Abraham, and D. Elijah. Correct answer B. Noah. Question 2. What did God send to make the water go down? A. Fire, B. Wind, C. Earthquake, D. Sunlight. Correct answer B. Wind. Question 3. How did the flood water reduce? A. Suddenly disappear, B. Gradually go down, C. Freeze into ice, D. Turn into mist. Correct answer B. Gradually go down.